What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today you are up close and personal because we're going to be focusing on the eyes today. So okay. So I was feeling something very like intro to fall, sparkly, smoked out. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying because I'm saying it right. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my JACKIEAINA palette for this eye tutorial because I feel it has a great mix of like neutrals and really nice deep fall colors and sparkles and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get started. So my eyes have already been primed. I'm going to take my M504 by Morphe and I'm going to go in with the shade Ginger right here as my transition shade. So I'm going to take Ginger and run that into the crease area. And these shadows are like so pigmented. I love it. That's a pretty shade. That's pretty. This is a nice transition shade, especially for like darker complexion ladies like myself. I have an idea in mind on what I want to do. So, and by the way, happy Friday the 13th, you guys. I mean, do you say happy Friday the 13th? I don't know if that's a happy thing, but happy Friday the 13th, you guys. And probably when you see this, it's not going to be Friday the 13th anymore, but I am picking announcing my giveaway winner today. I'm actually kind of nervous about it. I don't know why. I'm just, you know, I want whoever wins to be happy with the products, and I hope that those who don't win the giveaway, I want you guys to know that there will be more giveaways and more opportunities for you to get really, really cool stuff. So if you don't win this one, don't worry. I will have more coming up, okay? Okay, so now that I have Ginger down, I'm gonna go in with edges. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with edges right here. This pretty like burnt orange shade right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing with it. Dip into the crease, but I want it to be really like blown out and bring it in towards the inner corner. But I want majority of the product like on the outer portion. Okay, so I'm gonna switch my brush. I'm gonna go in with my E17 and I'm gonna pick up Credit, which is this nice dark brown right here. And I'm gonna pat that on the outer corners. The outer corner, and then bring it up towards the crease area. I really want to build up that crease with that dark brown. Really like bring it up towards like the brow right here. Okay, so now that I have that brown down, I want to use my Anastasia eyeshadow primer. I've never used an eyeshadow primer before, so this will be my first time. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a pretty like silver chrome style packaging, so I'm just going to put a little bit because a little goes a long way with it when I swatch it on my hand. So I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to carve out that like inner part of the lid. And then I just want to blend out those edges. Yeah! Got it. So the eyes have been the eyes are carved and primed, and if you've seen my follow JACKIEAINA tutorial first impressions on the palette, you would know that my favorite shade in the palette is this one right here called Sponsored, and it's a pretty like duochrome green brown. Oh my god, I love it. So this is what the shade looks like right here. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna put that like all over the lid. And I'm gonna stamp that all over the lid. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And I want to get as close to, and I want to get as close to the carve with this shade as possible. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's it's so fall. It's so fall. I am like so in love with this shade. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna take my E17 again. I'm gonna dip into Credit, the pretty brown that we went in with, and then just darken up that outer corner and really like blend it with that Sponsored shade. Okay, so for an added touch, I want to go in with Dwellers right here. This pretty gold shade right here, Dwellers. And I'm gonna pop that like in the center, like right here, like between where that green and brown meets. Okay, so just for some definition, I'm gonna take my definer brush, which is the Morphe M165, and I'm gonna take Credit, that nice dark brown, and I'm going to line like the line, and I'm gonna line that carve with some extra dimension. Can you see the difference? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna take my fluffy brush we used in the beginning and I'm gonna mix edges. I'm gonna mix edges and ginger and just blend out the top portion, like right up here, just to bring some of that warmth back. Okay, so the tops of the eyes are almost done. I want to go in with a black liner. I'm gonna do like half a liner, if that makes sense, and then smoke that out. Woo. So I'm gonna take my hanky smanky Hank and Henry liner, and I'm gonna line and it's okay if it's not like a perfect line because we're gonna smoke it out anyway, so it's okay. Just smoking out the edge of that liner right there with the brown. Okay, so the tops of the eyes are done. I'm gonna start with the bottom and I'm gonna take Credit, that pretty dark brown right here, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. So next I'm going to take edges and Credit and I'm going to mix those two together. So I'm going to mix those two together and smoke out the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my M504 and I'm going to blend out this outer portion right here. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm going to, so the eyes are, okay, so the eyes have been complete. I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've zoomed out. I added on my lashes, gel liner in my waterline, and I added on a lip. So fall. All I have to do is spray my face. And then I'm gonna add highlight. So for highlight, I'm going in with 2. I'm gonna use my MAC Oh Darling Extra Dimension Skin Finish right here, which is a nice peachy gold. And I'm gonna bring it up this way. Nose, forehead, chin. And then I need an inner corner highlight. Where's my brush? I'm gonna take my little itty bitty definer and I'm gonna pop that on the inner corner. And the brow bone. Now for my second highlight, I'm gonna take my Anastasia. It's an Anastasia loose highlighter. It's that like the one with the pink cap. It's like a nice, pretty bronzy shade. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that from the cap onto my brush, and I'm gonna pop that on top of my MAC Oh Darling. That's pretty. Guys, I don't have on any blush. Who am I? Okay, I need to add on some blush. So I'm gonna go and grab some blush. I'm gonna use my Tiger Lily. Okay, so one more spray. Whew. Okay, so what do you guys think? I love. It feels very fall appropriate to me. Does it to you? Okay. I love it. Okay, so this is the end of the video, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. And I am off to my place of employment, but I'll see you guys right back here very soon, okay? I love you guys.